If something was very good, you would say anna va, anna va. And you can hear and see the NH there making a V sound, anna va. Next we have this here, which is a PH. So if these are the first two letters of a word, this is pronounced with an F sound, an F sound. An example would be Flesk me amach a goir. I burst out laughing, or I exploded with laughter. Flesk me amach a goir. Next we have SH. So if these are the first two letters of a word, this is silent. An example would be Hul me awalya. I walked home. Hul me awalya. So you can clearly hear there that the SH is silent in that sentence. Next we have TH. This is pronounced like a H sound. So it's a H. And an example would be hit me, as in I fell, hit me. Or honig me, I came. Marhapla. Honig to ivad. Did you come far? Honig to ivad. So you can hear the H sound on the honig part of that sentence. And as I said at the start of the video, ivad there has a V sound. Ivad to do with coming from far. Ivad.